Okay, what's up guys? So today again I'm back and I forget to tell about this last um, of last part of the hiragana. I thought that was the last one, but I after I shoot that video I just remembered I haven't discussed this thing yet. So today we'll be discussing the remaining of the hiragana, the last extension of the hiragana. Okay, so let us start this show now. So it's a long day, maybe 7 hours I guess I'm spending here just to do these videos, and I'm tired also. And okay, this is the last one, the last extension of hiragana. Here you can see the small ya, you and yo. So whenever you add this small ya, you and yo with the consonants, with the vowel sound e, likewise we discuss e, the consonant is ki, so likewise c and chi. So with this the e vowel sound consonants, if you add this small ya, small u and small yo, and then you get a different sound, and we will discuss on that sound today. So let us do that. Before that, let me erase it. Okay, for the first one we have got this is kya, q, kyo. Again, kya, q and kyo. Next we have kya, gyu, gyo. Okay, kya, gyu and gyo. Next we have is sha, shu, sho. Okay, sha, shu, sho. Next we have is cha, chu, cho. Again, cha, chu, cho. We have nya, new, nyo. Again, nya, new, nyo. This is ha, hu, hyo. Ha, hu, hyo. Likewise, this one is mya, mu, myo. Mya, mu, myo. Next we have is rya, ryu, ryo. Rya, ryu, ryo. Okay, let us start from the beginning. Let us pronounce this now. Kya, kyu, kyo. Gya, gyu, gyo. Sha, shu, sho. Cha, chu, cho. Nya, nyu, nyo. Ha, hu, hyo. Mya, mu, myo. Rya, ryu, ryo. Okay, with this we have come to the end of the hiragana. With this I'm going to finish the hiragana. And okay guys, with this let me end this show. And before ending this show, let me tell you that there are so many mistakes, so please do tell me in the comment sections so that I can improve myself in my coming videos. And let us learn Japanese together, let us grow together. And as I told you, the channel is named Shiteru Koto, which means the thing I know. So I'll be discussing the different things that I have learned all these years, mainly the things that I learned after coming here in Japan. So this is it guys. So with this I need to say that Hiragana or Manago is at its end, and we'll be back with another video. Another video will be on katakana, and again we'll learn that, and we'll make one short video so that you can learn katakana easily and fastly, and other will be a detailed video, and I'll do that in parts, and I'll discuss that in our coming days. With this say, I must end this show, and see you next time, and have a good time. Bye bye.終わったけどこれ何？
充電がなくなった？切れてた？